Hi everyone, this is Robert, and today I'm showing you my new AC system. This is a York 3-ton 16.5 SEER, purchased on 12/12 of 2016. I'm going to show you the model number sticker. It's a model YCG36B21SA. And now we're going to go inside and look at the air handler. Now we are inside and I'm looking at the air handler. One of the features I like is that this top panel can be removed, giving access to the blower motor and the fan speed control. I will show you the model number sticker. There's an AE36BX21B. Again, it's 3-ton 16.5 SEER. The air filter is at the bottom. There's a sensor here for water overflow. There is also a sensor in the pan. When they installed the unit, they gave me this washable filter, but there is a real filter which is behind this little panel right here with 2 screws that are removed. The filter is 16 by 20 by 1, and now I'm going to remove this top panel, which is 5 screws, and show you the blower motor and how to adjust the fan speed. I have removed the top panel, and you can see the blower motor and the coils. You have access to them, and this plastic block right here is where you change the fan speed. There are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. To lower your fan speed for the AC setting, move the wire from the 4th position to the 3rd, the red wire. That is what controls the fan speed on the AC setting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you to lower your fan speed on your York air handler. I would recommend buying this system because it is made in the USA.